Good morning everyone. In this video we will see what is interface in Java programming language. In general, when we talk about interface, a image comes in our mind that it is an interacting thing. It means where two points interact with each other. But when we talk about interface in Java, it is a group of methods. Interface have group of methods having no any bodies and having no any implementation. Then a question arises, then who will provide implementation of our interface method? Then the answer is a class, user defined class, will provide implementation of our interface method. So we have in implement keyword to implement our interface method in Java programming, and when we have to create any interface, we will use interface keyword. That is, we use interface keyword for creating an interface, and we use implements keyword to implement method of our interface. In Java, interface is a group of methods having no any bodies, as I have told you earlier, and a class will provide implementation of interface. These are some important points about interface, and one more point is that interface methods are always abstract. It means it is compulsory to provide implementation of our interface methods. So we will see in our Eclipse IDE how to implement our interface methods. So I have created one interface here with name demo, and I will define some classes here. I have to define methods here. Public void, simply I will give name m1 of method 1, and the important things you should note that the methods of interface always end with semicolon. Before that we have watched every methods have some bodies and it's have curly braces. So I have told you earlier that there is no any implementation and methods have no any body in interface. That's why we are using here semicolon. I will write one more interface here. Interface body public void m2 simply. So I have created two methods here, and this is our oops concept class which is implementing demo interface. As I have told you earlier that implements keyword will use to get the interface methods in our classes. So I have created one interface with the name demo and our class with the name oops concept implementing demo. So here we can see we are getting some error. If you will click in that, then we can see add unimplemented method. So I have told you that it is compulsory to implement those methods we have defined in our interfaces. So simply I will click on that and I will. So you can see we are getting two methods here. So we can delete it and we can have some message in this sysauth inside it. Okay, we are writing some method. Hi, this is interface methods. Similarly, I will try to write some message here. Sysauth hello. I will write hello. This is Sarah here. Okay, so I will save the program, and when I will run it, oh, you can see we are getting some error here. For now I am deleting this annotation. Later you will get what is annotation. I will save the program and run the program. So simply we can see so it's not. Oh, I have not written here objects, because interface we can't create our object directly. So with the help of our implemented class we use to create objects of our class. So I will write oops concept obj equal to new oops concept simply OOP concept. Okay, now I can call the methods. So I will write obj.m1 simply, and now I will save the program and try to run the program. So see what I'm getting in output. So we can see, hi, this is interface method. So I'm getting the output of method 1. So when we will have to call the method of m2, the important message in m2, so I will write simply obj.m2, m2, and save the program. So we can see in output, hello, this is Sarah here. So you can see